Today we have not just a car in our review, but a real work of engineering art, the Cadillac Escalade pickup truck of 2025. This car has already become iconic, and in 2025 it received a long-awaited update. Let's dive into the details and find out what makes this pickup truck so special. From the very beginning of its existence, the Cadillac Escalade has been a symbol of style and luxury. But in 2025, this pickup truck is reaching a new level. Its updated design takes the best features from the electric Escalade IQ and transfers them to a pickup truck. The exterior has become even more aggressive, with clear lines and modern elements that emphasize the power and confidence of this car. In the interior, we are waiting for a new layout of the dashboard and displays, where everything is done for maximum comfort and driving pleasure. Guys, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. But design is only one side of the coin. Let's talk about what's really impressive, its power. The 2025 Escalade is equipped with all-wheel drive and is capable of delivering an incredible 750 horsepower and 785 lb-ft of torque. And these are not just numbers on paper. In Velocity Max mode, this pickup truck turns into a real monster on the road. Imagine accelerating to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. For those who prefer a quiet ride, the Escalade also offers over 650 horsepower in normal mode, making it ideal for all conditions. And if you're already looking forward to testing this car, I have good news for you. Cadillac plans to release the 2025 Escalade as early as the end of 2024. So if you're looking for the pinnacle of luxury and performance in your pickup truck, you won't have to wait long. Now let's talk about the price. The initial cost of the 2025 Cadillac Escalade pickup truck will be about $99,000, and this is just the basic configuration. Depending on the selected options, the price can reach up to $130,000. But it's worth remembering that this car is not just a means of transportation, but a real symbol of status and style. So, friends, here it is, a 2025 Cadillac Escalade pickup truck. This is not just a car, but a statement about your status and taste. Power, performance and luxury are all found in this car. If you liked our review, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new interesting videos.